Next, your step is going to be to write your introductory paragraph or the first paragraph of your essay. If you do not already have your evidence, your categories, and your thesis statement complete, you'll need to go back. This means number 6, number 7, 8, 9, and 10. If those aren't finished, please go back and take care of them before moving on with the intro paragraph. When you're ready to write your introductory paragraph, you'll need to include 1 to 2 sentences for your hook, 2 to 3 sentences for your frame, and 1 sentence for your thesis statement, which should already be written. For the hook, your goal is to catch your reader's attention right away. If you're not sure how to start or what kind of hook you can use, click on these 3 asterisks and click Go to Link, which will take you to a document that has lots of different examples and types of hooks that you might want to try. Then, when you're done with that, you'll move on to your frame. Frame is 2 to 3 sentences that explain your topic and help your reader understand what the essay is going to be about. This is the place where you give your reader information about who Otzi is, where he was found, what kind of condition he's in, and so forth. You want to write this as if your reader doesn't know much about Otzi. The last sentence of your introductory paragraph will be your thesis statement. Remember, you've already written this, so you can copy and paste it from number 10.